Hi, to fix fingerprint not recognized problem on your CMF phone 1, as a first step, let's unlock the phone with the help of swiping up and entering pattern PIN code or password. And now we need to find and open settings. Here choose security and privacy tab and then select device unlock, go in fingerprint. Confirm your pattern, PIN code or password, and here delete all of your fingerprints by tapping Recycle bin. Now what we are going to do next is we need to make sure that the phone is updated to the latest version. So for that, find your System tab, go in System Updates, and here you should see this information that your system is up to date. But if you got any options, any buttons for updating your phone, then do it because usually updates includes fixing old issues and adding new features. So I suggest you to update the phone. Now, if the problem persists, it may be due to dirt or dust on the sensor or finger. So you can gently wipe the sensor and finger with a soft cloth and try adding the fingerprint again. So just wipe the sensor and add new fingerprint. For that, you need to return in security and privacy, choose device unlock and go back in fingerprint. Now you'll see this button to set it up, so use it and now tap and hold to add fingerprint. So just lift your finger when you feel a vibration, don't forget to adjust it, and hold again after vibration. Then you should complete this circle with red lines. So now just place the edges of your fingerprint and just in a few seconds it would be scanned. So trust the process, no need to rush. And now it is added, so just tap done button and let's test whether it's working or not. So in my case, everything is working just fine, and if in your case it doesn't work again, it might be a hardware problem, or maybe you dropped your phone or it got into water, so then the best solution is to contact Nothing support or repair service. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.